All right, we're done. We've painted our baits. We're going to be doing the clear coating process next. This video is all about Tamco products. I've been using Tamco high impact clear for a number of years. I'm switching it up. We're going to try a new product that they've had on their line for a while. I've still got the other product. And I want to see how it holds up. So this is HC 9500, and it is called 30-minute high-speed impact clear. Hardener I'm going to be using today is HH 7606. So we're going to do a review. We're going to show you how we spray it. We're going to time it. We're going to see how long it takes to clear using that at a 4-to-1 ratio. So come watch us. Thanks for coming in, checking in. We'll see you. Well, our tagline is always, let's go spray some paint, but let's go spray some clear today. All right, like in the intro, this video is all about a new product I'm trying out, and I'm going to give you an honest opinion. I've used Tamco clear and sprayed it for, I don't know, a long time, over 10 years, maybe 15. You know, time gets away. But this particular video, I'm using the, now this is high impact, just like my other, but it's a 30-minute clear. Okay, it's supposed to dry in 30 minutes and be ready to go. The hardener that I'm going to use is the Fast 7603. Okay, now you got to use a respirator with this stuff. This stuff is extremely bad for you. Okay, I've got videos online of the respirators I use. I use an air intake. So obviously I'm not going to be talking during the video. All right, we're back at it, 10XD. All right, out of my respirator, so you've kind of seen that process. Sprayed those 3 baits. Product sprays smooth, super smooth. And I don't know if it's just because I've had that a can like this will last you forever spraying baits. But man, I mean, it sprayed really well. So we'll see. Mixed it 4-to-1. Done 2 different mixes there to get through these 2 big baits here. Last one was probably a little excessive. I went back over 1.5 baits with it, but you can see the finish right there. Looks good. I've got a timestamp on all this. We will kind of see how long it takes for this to set up, and I'm going to move these products inside and I'll get back. So at completion, 7:39. Lures look look fantastic. And while we're here, let's talk a little bit about the Laguna Blue and the Powder Blue. So you see, I mean, really similar. Now, obviously, this one was the one with the iridescence and the pearls. And this is just your fluorescent baits. But really pretty similar. Side color is a little bit different, and obviously the throat color. This is a fluorescent orange, and that was a pearl. And then just in comparison between the two blues. So I did a metallic, Jacquard metallic blue on that with just a transparent yellow. No, what was it? Yeah, it was just a regular yellow, Autoborn yellow, and mixed with a little green. Okay, so you can see, I mean, you know, a little bit different. Tangerine pearl on the bottom of that one, so it's got a little more red to it. Anyway, well, we're going to give you an honest review, and I'll get you that feedback as soon as these things clear up. All right, thanks. Okay, well, I'd show you the time, but it don't matter. I got on the phone right now, 8:52, so it's been over an hour. But anyway, I did go check these at about 40, I think it was about 42 minutes, and they were dry. But either way, compared to the old one that would take 4 or 5 hours, and most time I just let them set overnight on the Tamco high impact that I've been using forever. This stuff is super fast. Now, durability is going to have to be tested, but I don't know how well you can see that. The finish, really good. That may have been on the bait there, but it's pretty smooth. This side, I do notice, I don't know if you can see that. There's a, I don't know how to explain it. It's almost like a little wrinkle. And I mean, these are brand new baits, so not sure. Let's check out another one. Here's the 6 cents bait. This side is really clean, smooth. The top has got a little bit of a rough texture. It's not as smooth. And then again on this side, it's kind of odd that it's happening on one side. And I don't know, shouldn't have been any moisture in my gun or any of that, but there's a little bit of rough texture on that side there. Not sure what's causing that. That's weird. It's always on the left side of the bait so far. Bait number 3, super smooth. I mean, that finish is laid down perfect, no rough spots. Left side looks perfect as well. So, don't know. That's what it's like to me. It's like a blister. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. But anyway, I'm going to throw them. They're going to be out on the lake tomorrow. And see, that's like a little blister. But it does dry quick, and that's be a big advantage as long as we're not going to have clear coat issues with the way that it's settling. So anyway, I'm going to do a little bit of research on the product, just make sure that it can be coated within, 10 or 15 minutes. If not, that may be the culprit, laying down another clear and it's not gassing off. Maybe that's what's happening there. So, but anyway, so far I like it. If I get any bad reports on it, guys, I'll let you know. I'll do another video. Right now, there's a couple things in question, and so as I move through and start painting baits, I'll be using this product solely on all of them, and we'll get it figured out together, right? So. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hope this didn't be too long, but I've wanted to do a good review on that product. I've got a lot of people that's asked me about Tamco products and the high impact, and I've recommended the product that I'd used before, the regular high impact clear. So some guys have went to this and asked a few questions, and so I bought the product, and I'm gonna do a thorough testing of it. So see ya next week.